Cute ba?
Let's go na,
You wearing your special outfit for Daddy's birthday?
Did you bring your ID just in case?
It's in my phone. Driving license.
Happy birthday! Pupunta kami sa Toyang, mga mare. It's a buffet. Toyang. Toyang.
Japanese?
Well, no, Japanese maybe. Really? Hi, bye guys! Bye! Bye! Say bye! Bye guys! Bye! Bye guys! Bye! Guys, dito na kami sa Tongyang. And waiting na lang kami. Tawagin yung pangalan.
What's happened?
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog! Dapat sa layo! Dapat sa layo. Hello, mic test. Hello, mic test. Mic test. Mic test. Hello? Hello? Hi! So, ayan na guys. Nagamit na natin yung mic. Bumili kami ng mic para mas maganda yung quality ng audio and video. Dito sa camera house sa Iloilo. Ayan. Hello. Gamitan naman ng isa mo. Para kay Cam. I-use ko na lang.
So, charge pa man. I-try ta na i-charge pa man iya, ma'am nga.
Daw, daw, full pa man dyan tanda daw.
So, makita mo na, ma'am, na ano siya.
Hello, bat.
Ito yung cover, isulog sa loob.
Ay, ma'am, ang cover niyo, kung magtanggal ka na sa Type-C mo, ma'am, ha? Pero pwede mo man siya may diretso, abi nga nakano, kay may ari man siya.
Okay, sige,
may
sige.
May space na siya nga daan. Okay na siya, palit ko lang siya.
Say hi to the guys. Hi, guys. Hi.
Ma'am, wala siya kala-adapter for charging, ma'am, so on provide na.
Okay lang. Hi, guys. Bye-bye. Salamat. Sunog diwat, ma'am. Salamat.
Is it working?
Yeah, it's working now.
Is it mine works?
Yeah. So guys, punta kami sa may, hi! Punta kami sa may, sa may department store. Bibili kami ng mga gamit kay Millie. Hello! Say hi to the friend, Millie. Hi! Millie. Hello! Sige, sure. Say hi, Millie!
Hello!
Busy sa ngat-ngat. Ayan. Sige, ma'am. Sige. Ay, Millie! Nice meeting you, tita! Sige, ma'am. Bye-bye! Sige, sure. Thank you. Bye-bye, tita! Una kami, ma'am. Bye-bye. Nice meeting you all. Hi! Salamat! Hi!
Really famous in
So guys, dito na tayo sa loob ng SM department store. Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Hello! Hi! Say hi to them, Millie. Hi. Hello. Mga amo lang yun. 18 months. Ang daan for 6 months.
Just get 9 to 12.
Gali 8 months or 9 months to 12.
12 ng grass. 12 ng size.
Hello, good afternoon.
No.
Wala na ka mga iba nga mga amo lang ni.
Mami. Tights. Di na ba tanawa silang tights, di?
Para may iba nga choices. Para mapagpilian. Say hi to them, Millie. Snubbers, Millie, don't ruin. Na niya lahat ng mga damit. Hello. Okay.
May ara man open ito.
Din karamo.
Di nang open mo din.
Or diya kali yun. Mga mugali ni yung mga pajama for balay lang. Kay duro lamok. Damo lamok.
Pajama hindi ka ba?
Ha? So naghanap kami guys ng mga pajama for Millie para sa kanya kasi nga lagi siyang maraming kagat. So kailangan niya ng pajama, ang daming lamok kasi.
Don't worry, you're gonna grow.
Okay lang mama, talang malibot-libot lang anay kami. Para makapili gid. Hello. Gatingala gid tana.
Damo ka na pants. Damo ka pants be.
Hi Millie, say hi. Sige, malibot-libot lang kami anay, ma'am. Wala pa, 8 months pa lang si Millie. Do you say hi, Millie? Ha? Gatingala siya. Ano na nangyayari? Hi guys! Hi guys! Welcome to Mommy's Vlog! Daming kay Millie. Ang daming nag-hi kay Millie. Siya na talaga ang very very famous in the world. Hello. Hello. Say hi to tita. Ay, man, kundi na naglantaw. Sige. Bye-bye. So guys, magpili tayo ng shoes ni
That's Daddy's mic.
Lindsay. Tingnan
No,
natin
she's
kung
taking my mic.
Ha?
No, she's taking my mic. That's Daddy's mic. You can't talk yet.
What do you think is nice, my love?
That one.
This one, It's
Yeah.
599 pesos.
Yeah, that's good.
But it's 37, size 37.
Yeah, just ask
May
for the
size
size.
37 kam pa dyan. 7. So guys, punta muna kami dito sa stationery. Kasi bibili kami ng notebook ni Nini.
Easy. You need to get a correct style, right?
Huh?
You need to get this correct one.
Yeah. I already asked her.
You'll know what you're gonna get.
Yeah.
What grade is she?
Grade 6. Graduating. So, pili tayo guys ng mga notebook na kulay. Kasi baka yan na yung uso ngayon, di ba? Bicolor na. Kaya, maghanap tayo ng notebook na bikulay. Mga bata nag-iiyakan. Orange. Ayan.
Who's crying? The baby is crying.
Yellow. Ballpen naman ngayon guys yung bilhin natin. And, ano kaya ang magandang ballpen? Ito na lang siguro. Ito na lang. Panda. Maganda ba ito? Fiber cast kasi mas maganda, di ba? So, okay lang. Ito sa tatlo. Dalawa pala. And then, bilan natin siya ng red ball pen. Red ball pen. Ay, sorry, ma'am. And then, ano pa ba?
Huh?
Tapos, bilan natin siya nitong case.
Where's your mommy gone? Can you find your mommy? You can find your mama? She's same size as you.
37. She have bigger feet to me.
That one's nice anyway.
Where?
The one in your hand.
But he's... how about this one?
Yeah, that one's nice.
37. My size 37 ka mo, okay?
37.
Oh, grabe. Nakapagod. Kung ano yung one? This one?
Yeah.
37.
Don't cover your ano. My.
It's Millie grabbing it. Look, Millie, freezer. You want to go inside?
So, dito kami ngayon sa SM. Supermarket naman, guys. Ang laki ng supermarket nila. Kompleto.
Look.
In fairness.
Hanabishi brand.
Treats for Maverick.
Oh, loads more choices.
Look
Loads
at
and
this.
loads
This
of
looks
choice.
like...
Biscuits, dog biscuits. SM.
Where are we gonna grocery?
More treats.
SM.
This is like Robinson's, and then that is like... Oh, S&R, right? So, you know, dog cage.
Look. Dog toys. Maybe I should buy Maverick a shirt.
T-shirt.
Tingin-tingin kami dito, guys. What's in here? What to buy here? First time namin pumunta dito. Hindi pa kami nakapunta dito, guys. We haven't been here yet. Oh, we need to buy water as well. Because maybe in 7-Eleven, they don't have water. No, same as... Bibili kami actually ng baby food dito.
So heavy, Millie.
Ayan. Nag-reklamo na yung tatay niya dahil bigat na siya. Bigat na si...
Huh? Have you got a basket?
It's okay, just put it here.
Not the big one, just the smaller ones.
This is for you. This is for you.
Hey, Mommy got me too big.
How many?
3, it's only one more day, isn't it? Or 4. Should get basket.
It's okay. I'll do it.
Let's look at the meats. See if there's any difference in price. If it is, I'm going to buy a load and take it back to Antigua and sell it there. Oh no, they have fucking everything. And now look. It's cheaper.
What's good? Sirloin steak.
No.
Beef brisket. Oh, look at that one.
Oh.
Madami din silang choices actually.
Look at the ground beef, my love. 300 a kilo,
Oh
my
yeah.
love. Ground beef.
In market, 400.
And fucking thingy is 500.
490, 480, something like that.
Look, 360.
400 also in the per kilo of the beef, of the pork. Excuse me.
Millibo, millibo.
So guys, magbayad na kami for today's video ng aming pinamili.
No.
Oopsie.
Happy with your spoon, Millie?
We're gonna pay
Show the
now,
guys,
guys.
show everyone your spoon.
Show to the guys the spoon. Guys, this is my spoon. Bayad na muna kami guys and uwi na kami. Balik na kami sa aming hotel. Wala natin si Millie ng itong gerber kasi nga hindi tayo makapag-load.
Can't hear you.
Huh?
Can't hear you.
They can hear me. Anyway, because I have mic now. It's easy. Even you just gonna, you know,
Whisper.
whisper, they can hear.